This is the Precision Screwdriver Set. It's a 43-in-1 precision screwdriver set. It is made of high quality S2 steel. So there's a magnetic tip in here that keeps the drill bits in place. It has a rotating top cover here, which makes it easy to use to unscrew and screw things. And it has an anti-slip handle. All right, so it comes with very different types of drill bits, sizes and types. And then here we'll use this. This makes working on like electronic devices and other things very convenient and easy to use. The tool is great to use for computers, laptops, cell phones, gaming consoles, tablets, RC drones, eyeglasses, smartwatches, and a whole lot more.